In this video, we'll explore Mailsuite's advanced alert features that help you get more responses to your important emails. With alerts tracking email opens, reopens, and more, you'll have the insight needed to follow up strategically. For example, if a potential client hasn't responded, but opens your email multiple times, this could indicate interest with possible hesitation in the decision-making process. Mailsuite's Hot Conversation alert notifies you of this activity, signaling a good time to send additional information, address any concerns, or refine your offer to help the conversation move forward. Another valuable alert, the revival notification, triggers when an email is reopened after a long period. This can indicate renewed interest or change in circumstances. Reaching out again with a refreshed approach could reignite their interest and improve your chances of closing the deal. These notifications help you stay on top of your email communications, increase response rates, and ultimately close more deals. Here's how to set up these alerts using Mailsuite. Step 1. Install Mailsuite. Take a look at our handy video to find out how. Step 2. Enter your Mailsuite dashboard. Scroll to Settings and Privacy. Then select Notifications. Step 3. Check the boxes for alerts you want to receive. Then click Save Settings. Now Mailsuite will notify you whenever recipients take key actions on your emails. Download Mailsuite today and start using follow-up reminders to get more responses.